Welcome to this slow English listening on the topic of introducing yourself and connecting with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my upcoming lessons. And please give this video a like if you find it helpful. Have you ever felt nervous about meeting new people? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of the first impressions and the connections through the story of Emma, a young woman starting fresh in a new city. This lesson focuses on introducing yourself and connecting with others, essential skills that open doors to friendships, opportunities, and meaningful relationships. I have divided the story into two parts. At the end of each part, we will do a short comprehension exercise. This will help you check on your understanding before we continue with the story. This lesson is part of my natural English learning program based on weekly slow listening videos that help you learn new vocabulary and phrases. I publish this every Monday. On Thursdays, I release speaking shadowing practice videos only for subscribers. These are perfect for improving fluency. Subscribers also get access to all lessons PDFs and extra exercises. You can subscribe by clicking join, and you can cancel anytime without any commitment. If you want to download the free PDF of this lesson, click the link in the description and fill out the form. Before we begin, I recommend listening to the story twice. First, with subtitles. You can activate them by clicking the CC button at the bottom of your tube player. And the second time without subtitles to challenge your listening skills. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1, A New Beginning. Emma walked slowly down the busy street. She carried a small suitcase in one hand and a coffee cup in the other. Today was her first day in London. She was nervous but excited. Emma was 25 years old. She came from a small town in the countryside. Now she was starting a new job at a marketing company in the big city. Everything felt different here. The tall buildings, the fast cars, and all the people walking quickly. She stopped in front of a modern office building. This was her new workplace. Emma took a deep breath and walked inside. The lobby was bright and clean. A friendly woman sat behind a reception desk. "Good morning. Can I help you?" the woman asked with a warm smile. "Hello, I'm Emma Collins. Today is my first day. I'm starting work in the marketing department," Emma said, trying to sound confident. "Welcome to the company, Emma. I'm Sarah, the receptionist. Let me call your manager. While Emma waited, she looked around the lobby. Other employers walked past, talking and laughing together. She hoped she would make friends here. Making connections with new people was important to her. A tall man with glasses came down the stairs. He walked towards Emma with a big smile. You must be Emma. I'm David, your manager. Welcome to our team. Thank you, David. I'm really happy to be here, Emma replied, shaking his hand. Checkpoint 1. Where does Emma come from? A big city. B, a small town. A small town. B. Who is Sarah? Emma's manager or the receptionist? B, the receptionist. Let's continue with the story. Part 2, Making Connections. David showed Emma around the office. It was modern and comfortable. There were large windows with views of the city. Emma saw many people working at their desks. Let me introduce you to your colleagues, David said. They stopped at a group of desks where 3 people were working. A young woman with short brown hair looked up and smiled. Everyone, this is Emma Collins, our new team member, David announced. Hi, Emma. I'm Lisa, the woman said, standing up to shake Emma's hand. I work in social media marketing. Where are you from? I'm from a small town called Millfield. It's very different from London, Emma laughed. A man with curly hair joined the conversation. I'm Tom. I handle email marketing. Millfield? I know that place. My grandma lives there. Really? That's amazing, Emma said, feeling more relaxed now. The third person, a woman with long black hair, also introduced herself. I'm Priya. I work on website content. We're so happy to have you in our team. Emma felt warm inside. These people seemed kind and friendly. She realized that introducing herself wasn't as scary as she thought. Thank you all. I'm excited to work with you and learn from everyone, Emma said. During lunch, Lisa invited Emma to join her and some other colleagues at a nearby cafe. They talked about their hobbies, their families, and their work. Emma shared stories about her life in Millfield, and everyone listened with interest. By the end, of her first day, Emma had exchanged phone numbers with 3 new colleagues. She felt proud of herself. Moving to a new city was challenging, but connecting with other people made everything easier. As Emma walked back to her small apartment that evening, she smiled. Tomorrow will be another day of new experiences and new friendships. She was ready for this new chapter in her life. Checkpoint 2. What does Liza work with? A. Social media marketing. B. Email marketing. Exactly. A. Social media marketing. How does Emma feel at the end of the day? Sad and lonely? Or happy and proud? B. Happy and proud. Congratulations. Well done. You've successfully completed this listening exercise. Your English listening skills are improving with every lesson. Let me recap the 4 main vocabulary words and the 4 key phrases from today's stories about introducing yourself and connecting with others. Key vocabulary: introduce, to present someone or yourself to others for the first time. Colleague, a person you work with. Confident, feeling sure about yourself and your abilities. Connection, a relationship or bond with another person. Let's look at some key phrases. I'm, that's the basic way to introduce yourself. I'm Maria. I'm Emma. Where are you from? This is a common question when meeting someone new. Nice to meet you. A polite expression when meeting someone for the first time. I'm excited to work with you. This is a way of showing enthusiasm about future collaborations. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on new lessons. Also, if you want to see my speaking shattering practice videos and have access to all the free PDFs of the lessons, don't forget to join my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.